Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how a 3-inch leveling kit can transform your Ford F-150, enhancing both its performance and appearance. A leveling kit raises the front of your truck to match the height of the rear, eliminating the factory rake and providing a balanced stance. Installing a 3-inch leveling kit offers several advantages. Improved aesthetics for a more aggressive and commanding presence on the road. Enhanced off-road capability with increased ground clearance to tackle rough terrains. Larger tire accommodation, providing space for up to 35-inch tires to enhance look and functionality. Before proceeding, consider the following. Altering the suspension can affect ride quality. Ensure compatibility with your model year. Higher lifts may increase wear on parts like ball joints. Regular maintenance is crucial. For optimal results, consider having the kit installed by experienced technicians. Here's a brief overview of the installation process. Safely lift the truck and remove the front wheels. Detach the strut assembly from the suspension. Attach the leveling spacer to the strut assembly. Reinstall the strut assembly and ensure all components are torqued to manufacturer specifications. After installation, a professional alignment is essential to maintain proper handling. Here are some top-rated 3-inch leveling kits for your F-150. Motofab lifts F-153, known for its durability and straightforward installation. ReadyLift 3-inch front leveling kit offers a comprehensive solution with quality components. KSP Performance 3-inch front leveling lift kit features CNC machined billet aluminum construction for enhanced strength. Upgrading your Ford F-150 with a 3-inch leveling kit can significantly enhance its appearance and performance. Ensure you choose a quality kit and consider professional installation for the best results.